Click the Settings button on the main interface to enter the System Settings interface. System Language. Select the corresponding system language in the drop-down box of System Language, and the system will automatically restart after switching. At present, the machine supports Chinese, English, Arabic, Vietnamese, Korean, Persian, and so on. Voice feedback. After checking, the buzzer will sound drip to indicate each time after printing is completed. Importing font library. If the machine does not have the font you need, copy the required font to a USB drive and insert it into the machine. Click the Manage Fonts button. Select an SB in the pop-up menu. Select the font file and click Copy to Local. The font will be successfully installed. Change the boot screen. To change the system boot screen, you need to provide pictures with resolution 800x480 and format PNG, BMPO, JPG. Contact technical personnel for operation. Manage logs. View system print logs for technicians to troubleshoot and maintain the machine. System time. Click the required field in the System Time Settings column and adjust the corresponding content through plus and or respectively. Custom date format. In the week and month settings columns, you can set a custom alias for the week and month and display it in the date print properties through the ND and NR formats. The local version management includes version upgrade and version rollback, as well as the firmware version, the specific version number of the software version, the total number of machine labels, and the reset button.